Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I just received my design team package for January. This is the first one that I'm getting for 2026, and I'm super excited, and I couldn't wait to do a video so I could show you what I've got to play with. So I'm going to go through this. I will have links down below to all of these products, and I think this is going to be a fantastic design team package to play with. So let's get started. This is for, again, January of 2026, and I received the gorgeous collection Be Mine by Carta. It is really, really, really cute. So let's go through and talk about what I got. Let's start with all of these beautiful ribbons that I received. So I received 2 yards each of these ribbons. I've got the black luster here. This is a 1/8 inch and it's really super pretty. And then I also received the 1.5 inch sage green luster ribbon. Look at how pretty that is. It's just beautiful, beautiful ribbon. This is going to go really well with this collection. Oh, I'm so excited. I also received the 3/4 inch soft sheer red. Isn't that pretty? Look at how pretty. And then last but not least, this fuzzy grosgrain ribbon. Isn't that cute? So look at that. The edges are fuzzy. I love that. That is so pretty. So I've got the green, the pink, the red, and the black, which of course go with all of this collection. I'm going to put this off to the side for a sec. And then let me show you what else I got. So this is, again, the Be Mine collection. Let's save this for later. I did receive the frames and tags and the ephemera pack. Now, the frames and tags are super cute. And I'm hoping you can see all of the cute little tags that are in here and all the little frames that'll go with this collection. Love all of this. It's a gorgeous collection for Valentine's, and I'm really excited. So again, this is the ephemera pack. And again, lots of cute little ribbons and all kinds of things. So the colors are going to be perfect with the ribbons and stuff that I got. So I'm super excited. Now let's go through the paper. So I received the 12 by 12 paper collection, and I got 2 sheets of each one of them, including a sheet of stickers. So I've got this beautiful 12 by 12 sticker, and we've got all kinds of different things in here. So we've got like little typewriters and bows. We've got cupcakes, flowers, just all kinds of really beautiful Valentine themed stuff. I love this. So cute. So there is the sticker sheet, and then let's go through. So I got 2 sheets of each. So here are the the 6 by 4 cut aparts. Really cute. And then the back of these are the candy jars. Isn't that cute with all the little hearts and everything? So cute. I love this collection. This is so cute. This is the 3 by 4 cut apart page. Loving that. These are super cute. I've already got an idea for this. The back side looks like this. I've got some really cute ideas. So I hope you're going to like them. This one is the envelope page. Isn't that pretty? The back of that, the black with the little white hearts in it. That's adorable. I love it. So got a big page of really pretty hearts all over the place. And on the back of that, we've got this pink design with all these cute little dots. And again, 2 of each. So which is really cool because I can use the cut aparts on one, and then I can use the other one for the back side. So here's the 4 by 4s. Really nice. And then the back side of this is the pink with the darker pink polka dots. Then we have the cakes. Let's say Be Mine all over it, and Valentine, little hearts and everything with the little green hearts in there. So that's perfect for that green ribbon, and then red with the white hearts and polka dots on this side. And then we have our perfume bottles and little flowers and hearts and stuff. So cute. So cute. And then the pink paper back here. And then we've got this sheet with some miscellaneous cut parts. So we've got 4 by 6. We have postage stamps, and then we have some more 3 by 4s. I love this collection. It is so pretty. I do love it. And then the roses back here. That's gorgeous. This page here has all the bouquets wrapped in newspaper that say My Love and Valentine, with the little bows. And then on the back, we've got this red pattern here. So pretty. This page has all of those stamps. Love the stamps. Those are cute. I'm getting ideas. Here's green pattern on the back. And then we have this floral pattern. Ooh, I got a lot of paper, guys. I'm so excited. I'm going to be able to make some really cool projects. So there's the hearts with the pink. And then we've got our little love bugs here with our flowers. Love that. And then the green striped pattern here. Okay, so I got all that, plus all right, so then I got the Coordinating Solids paper pack. So this has 6 sheets of paper, and they have all of these colors. So let's look through those real quick. We have the pink here, so 2 of the pink on the front, and then the red on the back. And then we have this darker pink here with kind of the gold on the back. And then we have a dark pink with the mint on the back. Isn't that pretty? So I've got all of those to play with. Plus, the last thing I wanted to share with you is I got a package of new artisan cardstock. So I'm really excited about this. This is a 100-pound Ballerina Pink Artisan Cardstock. It's new in the store, and I'm really excited. I think this is going to work really well with this paper collection, and it's going to be really fun to work with. So I got a package of that. And then I'm going to have some chipboard as well. So I'm going to be working with this artisan cardstock. I'm going to be working with all of the great solid papers here with the collection. So this all goes with the paper collection. I have the mirror card, and then I have all of this gorgeous paper in this paper collection, Be Mine. I also got this, but wait, there's more. So I want to show you something else that's new to Country Craft Creations. So we also got in the store that we've got a laser cutter now, and so we're going to be able to use that, and she's going to create some items with that. So this one here does not have the paper taken off. I can peel that off hopefully here real quick for you. Just kind of using my fingernail here, but let's see if a pokey tool would work better. But these are acrylic album covers, and this one is in a tag shape. And let's see if I can get that off. So you just have to get it started, and then it'll peel off just really nice and easy. But isn't that cool? So we are going to be making at Country Craft Creations, we're going to have acrylic albums and all kinds of different things. I'm really excited about this laser cutter that we're going to get lots of different products. Now we're going to have lots more options to play with. So I'm just going to take this off of this one here and then show you. Isn't that great? There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me measure this for you, because honestly, I don't know how big it is. This is my ruler the right way. So this is 5 inches by 7. So I got 2 of the acrylic album covers, and then I got some rings to go with them. So I'm going to be able to play with that this time too. So I'm super excited about that. So not only did I get all of this gorgeous paper, but I also got a really cool acrylic album cover that I can play with, and all of the things. And look at all this beautiful ribbon. This is going to go so perfect with all of this. All right, you guys, so go down below to all of the links. I will have them listed for you so you can get your supplies, and then you can craft with me, and I will be back as soon as I can with some really awesome projects. All right, so again, this is my design team package for Country Craft Creations for the month of January 2026, and I'm going to be using Cartabella's Be Mine collection. All right, so thanks for watching. Stay crafty, stay tuned. I'll be back soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.